So we have some lovely weather. The roads are finally dry and I thought I need to put some fuel in, so I'll take her out for a little bit of a drive, which I've been doing, and we're up to temperature now, which is great. The sun is out. Not going to do a massive drive, just maybe half an hour, 40 minutes. Just enjoy the car a little bit, get used to it. So I don't know if this is still picking up the engine sound, because I have put on wireless mics, and that is due to the fact that I had a few people complain in the comments that I've unfortunately had poor sound quality. So hopefully I've got that wireless Rode mic there connected up to the GoPro. I've never done this before on this GoPro before today, and as such I need to just see if it works, and we're going to get a bit of a test. So I'm going at the moment to go and fill up, put some fuel in. So just reset it, 000. That was £58.41, which is 36.76 litres. I bought a water as well. So there we go. That was Shell V-Power. I'm assuming the higher octane is better. Hopefully that's the case. I haven't got it completely wrong. Right, we'll go for a little drive. We got a bit of a multiple police cars. Oh, somebody's being unmarked police car, police bike. Oh, we've got to get round. Stopping and searching vans. Right, we've had a engine management light come on. Now it's in for a check-up tomorrow. I've got one of those OBD readers, so I'm going to have a little look and see what that says. And whether or not it's a big problem. To be honest with you, it's a 20-year-old car. I expect a few things to happen, a few lights to come on and things that need to be changed and checked and updated. It goes with the territory. So I'm not overly fussed at this point. That might change come tomorrow when the car goes in, but at the moment I'm not going to panic. They've put barricades where I usually would go, and I can still pull in there and take a picture, I suppose. Oh, Where I've previously gone and parked up at the edges of some of the fields there, they've actually put concrete barricades. I'm assuming that's to stop anyone unwanted going on the site. Now that's a bit of a pain, because I really did hope that I'd be able to pull in there and take a couple of photos of the car, or maybe a video. The car's performing okay, though it's got that light on. It's only an orange light, it's not a red light. And with those things, it could be anything. It could be a injector, it could be a belt, it could be a spark plug. We shall find out. Unfortunately now, following something doing 28 miles. There we go. We're going to turn around. This gives me a somewhere I can take some photos. So I plugged in my OBD reader. It's now scanning and initializing. It's done that. So I want to hit it's connected. I want to hit the diagnostics. It's saying there's fault codes. So let's have a look at what they are. It's now scanning the system. 4 fault codes. No body systems issues, no undercarriage systems issues, no nest working issues, no other issues. Let's have a look at this then. We have to select what we have, which we have a Porsche. So catalyst systems officially below threshold, bank 1. Catalyst systems officially below threshold, bank 2. Catalyst system officially below threshold, bank 1 pending. 2 stored, 1 pending. Don't know what that means. Let's have a look at what it suggests on there. It suggests power systems pending. Fault 3-way catalyst converter, bank 1, exhaust tube. Intake air leaks, faulty oxygen sensor, faulty injectors, leaking fuel injector, faulty spark plugs, improper ignition timing, or faulty engine code module, or dirty air filter. So it could be any of those. So it'll be a case of tomorrow when it goes in that hopefully Ben will have time to go through and check some of these things and then come up with a solution for me. We shall see. But these things happen. You know, it's a car. It's a 20-year-old car. They are yellow warnings. None of those are worrying me too much. No doubt you'll tell me if I should be panicking or if there should be major worries involved. But to be honest with you, I'm kind of not that fussed at the moment, because these are things. So let's see if I can clear them anyway. If it'll clear them. No, it hasn't cleared it from the there. So, okay, it'll need to be cleared properly. Hey ho. Right, let's take some photos. Few photos done, first section of them, so really pleased about that. I'm gonna have to just walk back because there's some cyclists coming along with a load of traffic and an RAC van behind them. It's a nice day for cycling. They just get in the way, don't they? Then we got unfortunate. Nice back in there. But here we go. Right, I'm going to head back now and enjoy the rest of the day. Look at this. February. Didn't manage to sort out those fault codes, but it's in tomorrow, so hey ho. I'm really pleased how the car's looking. It's driving well, it's driving fine. Sounds lovely. Really hoping that comes across on the sound on the video as well. I'm still absolutely over the moon. Obviously I only had it a few weeks, so we'll see. There we go. That's my filming for the day, and the engine check light has just come back on. But as I say, it's only orange and yellow, whatever, not red. Car's performing fine, so we shall see if that's an issue. So thanks a lot for watching, thanks for getting this far. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, really appreciate it if you do. Like and share to like-minded friends, makes amazing difference to small channels like this, just avoiding a pothole there. And some big potholes, big hole in the road there. So as I was saying, thanks a lot, and until the next video, didn't time this very well, did I? As I was saying, until the next video, JP out. Just gone to put the Porsche away, and I've noticed that there was a residue on the floor of a watery pink substance, which I believe should not be there in my dry garage. So I've cleaned it up, did take a couple of pictures, but on there I'm going to put something down to see if we get a drip on it again overnight, and whether or not it's a problem. Something else to go on the list. What do you reckon it could be? Let me know in the comments. I think pink watery substance could be like the washer jets, couldn't it? Because I don't know if there's a rear reservoir or if there's a thing to go through. Is there a wiper? If there's a rear wiper, so is there a reservoir at the back for... I haven't even looked at that yet. Anyway, I'm sure you lot will be able to tell me, and somebody will be able to tell me, and it's going in tomorrow, so I'm going to add it to the list. Anyway, is that time? I'm going to have to dash.